Adhai Din Ka Jonpra is a mosque in Ajmer which is said to be built in 2.5 days. This monument was built after Muhammad Ghori defeated Prithvi Raj Chauhan III. It is said that previously a Sanskrit college existed there and the monument was constructed on its ruins. This tutorial will let you know about the history of the mosque along with the structures present inside. You will also get the information about the best time to visit it along with how to reach the mosque. This tutorial is designed for the people who would like to know about the history of Adhai Din Ka Jonpra Mosque along with the interiors and design of the mosque. This mosque is visited by many people from India and abroad. This is a brief tutorial designed only for informational purpose. There are no prerequisites as such. All that you should have is a keen interest to explore new places and experience their charm. Welcome to another pocket-growing edition on Learn City. Adhai Din Ka Jonpra is a mosque built on the ruins of an old Sanskrit college. Muhammad Ghori ordered that a mosque should be built so that he can offer prayers. So the workers tried but could not complete the task. But they were able to build screen wall where Muhammad Ghori could offer prayers. Ajmer. Ajmer is one of the popular cities of Rajasthan due to the presence of the Dargah of Sufi Saint Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti. It is not confirmed but history says that the city was founded either by Ajayraja I or Ajayraja II who belonged to Shakambhari Chahman dynasty. Besides the Dargah, another pilgrimage site is Pushkar which is 10 kilometers away from Ajmer. Visiting hours. Adhai Din Ka Jonpra can be visited from 7 am in the morning to 7 pm in the evening. The monument is opened on all days including the public holidays. There is nothing much to see in the monument but still it may take around 1 hour to visit the whole monument. Tickets. There is no entry fee to visit the mosque and people can visit it any time during the visiting hours. Best time to visit at Ajmer and the mosque is from November to March as the climate is very pleasant. Though January is very chilly, but still people will enjoy visiting the city during this period. Where to stay? As the city of Ajmer is very popular for its Dargah and Adhai Din Ka Jonpra, there are many hotels in which tourists can stay. There are cheap hotels and star hotels where people can enjoy their stay according to their budget. Some of the hotels with their location are as follows: 5-star hotels. Dera Masuda located at Motiza Road, Pushkar. Aram Bagh located at Ganahera, Pushkar. Ananta Spa and Resorts located at Leela Savri, Pushkar. The Gateway Resort located at Pushkar Bypass, Jaipur Road, Ajmer. WH Royal Tents located at Mobile Camp, Pushkar. 4-star hotels Country Inn and Suites by Carlson located at Sushant City. Hotel Chitan located at Jaipur Road. Paradiso Resort located at Jaipur Road. Grand Xenia located opposite Chidiya Bavdi, Kishangarh. Pushkar Resorts located at Motiza Road, Pushkar. 3-star hotels Hotel Plaza Inn located near Dargah Sharif. Regal Hotel located at Dargah Road, Ganj. Hotel Data Inn located at Srinagar Road. Hotel Vigar Inn located at Jaipur Road. Hotel Mansingh Palace located at Vaishali Nagar. Budget or 2-star hotels. Hotel Regency located outside Delhi Gate. Hotel Tribo Siddharth located at Jaipur Road. Hotel Royal Palace located inside Delhi Gate. Hotel Imperial Palace located Dargah Road. Hotel Star located outside Delhi Gate. Cheap or 1-star hotels. Haveli Heritage Inn located at Kacheri Road. Hotel Baba Palace located at Dargah Road. Hotel Sri Shivam Palace located at Dargah Sharif. Hotel Omni Palace located at Jaipur Road. Hotel Mannat Palace and Restaurant located at Dargah Sharif. Adhai Din Ka Jonpra History. Adhai Din Ka Jonpra is a mosque that is said to be built within 2.5 days by the order of Muhammad Ghori. The mosque to be built within 60 hours and the workers worked day and night but were only able to construct the screen wall so that the Sultan could offer his prayers. Adhai Din Ka Jonpra under Chauhan dynasty. During the period of Chauhan dynasty, there was a Sanskrit college built by Vigraharaja IV, also known as Visala Deva, who belonged to Shakambhari Chahman, a Chauhan dynasty. The college was built in square shape and a dome-shaped pavilion was constructed on each corner of the building. A temple was also there that was dedicated to goddess Saraswati. The construction of the building includes the features of Hindu and Jain architecture. Some historians say that the mosque was built by the materials used after the destruction of some old and abandoned Hindu temples. Others say that the Sanskrit college was a college of the Jains. The local people say that Seth Viramdeva constructed the college to celebrate Panch Kalyanika. The mosque was constructed after the defeat of Prithvi Raj Chauhan III by Muhammad Ghori in the Second Battle of Tarain. Adhai Din Ka Jonpra under Delhi Sultanate. After defeating Prithvi Raj Chauhan III, once Muhammad Ghori was passing by Ajmer and saw many temples, so he ordered his slave named Qutbuddin Aibak to construct the mosque so that he can offer prayers. The Sultan also ordered that the mosque has to be built within 2.5 days. The workers worked hard and were able to construct a screen wall where the Sultan could offer his prayers. The mosque was completed in 1199 according to an inscription. Iltutmish, the successor of Qutbuddin Aibak, built a screened wall with arches and inscriptions on it. The inscriptions have the name of Iltutmish and the supervisor named Ahmad ibn Muhammad al-Arid. History behind the name. The name of the mosque is Adhai Din Ka Jonpra, which means shed of 2.5 day. There are many things related to the name of the mosque. According to a legend, the life of a human being is 2.5 day on earth. Historians say that there was a fair used to be held for 2.5 days in ancient times. Other assumptions say that during the Maratha era, fakirs came to celebrate Uares and so the mosque was started being called Jonpra. Since the Uares was held for 2.5 days, so the mosque was named as Adhai Din Ka Jonpra. Adhai Din Ka Jonpra is one of the oldest mosques in India that was built on the basis of Indo-Islamic architecture. Muhammad Ghori ordered the construction of the mosque, which was designed by Abu Bakr of Herat, who came with the Sultan. Each side of the building has the height of 259 feet. People can enter the mosque from southern and eastern gates. Exterior structure of the mosque. Total number of pillars in the mosque were 344 and the actual building had 124 pillars, out of which 92 were on the eastern side and 64 were on the other sides. Iltutmish also built a huge screen whose arches were built by using yellow limestone. There are 7 arches, out of which the largest one has the height of 60 feet while others are smaller ones. There are small panels in the arch to pass sunlight. The arches also have the verses of the Holy Quran. Along with this, there are inscriptions written in Kufic and Tugra script. Interior structure of the mosque. The measurement of the interior portion is 200 feet by 175 feet. The design of the pillars are similar to the temples of Hindus and Jains. Historians say that many pillars belong to Hindu and Jain temples, but some were constructed by the Muslim rulers. The ceilings of the mosque are also a combination of Hindu and Islamic architecture. Muazzin towers. Muazzin towers are located in 2 minarets, each having a diameter of 10.5 inches. The location of these minarets is on the top of the screen wall, whose thickness is 11.5 feet. The minarets have angular and circular flutes, which were one of the features of construction of Delhi Sultanate. Ajmer is directly linked to many major and small cities of India via rail and road network. Ajmer does not have its airport, but Jaipur and Delhi are the nearest airports from where many domestic and foreign flights depart. Distance of some of the major cities from Ajmer is as follows: Ajmer to Jaipur. By rail 98 km. By road 130 km. Ajmer to Delhi. By rail 444 km. By road 403 km. Ajmer to Ratlam. By rail 375 km. By road 403 km. Ajmer to Chittorgarh. By rail 178 km. By road 191 km. Ajmer to 90 km. By road 271 km. Ajmer to Agra. By rail 363 km. By road 371 km. Ajmer to Ahmedabad. By rail 485 km. By road 555 km. Ajmer to Marwar. By rail 140 km. By road 174 km. By air. Ajmer does not have airport, but the nearest international airport is Sanganer Airport of Jaipur, which is around 130 km away from Ajmer. Tourists who want to visit Adhai Din Ka Jonpra can come to Jaipur by air and then catch a train or bus or hire a taxi to come to Ajmer. By train. Ajmer is well connected to many cities in India through railway network. Rajdhani, Shatabdi, Yan Shatabdi, Garib Rath superfast and fast trains along with passenger trains have stoppage here. Many trains also originate and terminate here. The trains connect Ajmer to all the metropolitan cities except Chennai. By road. Rajasthan State Road Transport Corporation runs deluxe and semi-deluxe AC and non-AC buses from Ajmer to Delhi, Jaipur, Mumbai, Allahabad, Lucknow and other places. Besides this, there are private bus and taxi operators that provide conveyance to other cities. Local transport. Tourists can move around Ajmer either through auto rickshaws or taxis which can be hired for a fixed period of time. Another mode of local transport is the local bus which carries people to their destination. Adhai Din Ka Jonpra is one of the popular places which the tourists come to visit. There are many other places which the tourists can visit, and the most important one is the Dargah of Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti. Some of the places to visit in Ajmer are as follows. Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti Dargah. Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti Dargah is also known as Ajmer Sharif Dargah, where people of different communities come to pray and ask for their needs. The Dargah was built by Shah Jahan. Dargah was built by Shah Jahan. Nizam Gate is the main gate from where people can make an entry to the building. The Nizam Gate is followed by Shah Jahani Gate, which is further followed by Buland Darwaza built by Mahmud Khilji. Nasiyan Jain Temple. Nasiyan Jain Temple, also known as Ajmer Jain Temple and Soni Ji Ki Nasiyan, was built in 19th century. There are several images in the main chamber called Swaran Nagri. These images are made with wood and platted with gold. The temple mainly belongs to Digambara Jains and is dedicated to Lord Rishabhadev, the first Tirthankara of Jains. The construction of the temple was started in 1864 and Lord Rishabhadev's image was installed in 1865. Anna Sagar Lake was built by the grandfather of Prithvi Raj Chauhan, whose name was Amaraya, also called Anna. The lake covers an area of 13 kilometers. The pavilions, known as Baradari, were constructed by Shah Jahan in 1637. There is a garden called Daulat Bagh which was constructed by Jahan's Mosque. Shah Jahan's Mosque in Ajmer lies within the precincts of the Dargah of Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti. Shah Jahan built this mosque due to a vow which he has taken during the Mewar campaign. The dimensions of the mosque is 148 feet by 25 feet. The mosque was built by using white marble and there are 5 entrances from where people can enter the mosque. The main area where prayer is offered is built on a platform where people can go through a staircase. Akbar's Palace. Akbar's Palace is a beautiful monument in Ajmer which was built in 1570 AD. Akbar frequently visited Ajmer for pilgrimage, so he built the palace as a residence for himself. The palace was built in such a way that the attackers could not enter the palace and attack the persons inside. The palace is surrounded by 2 magnificent walls. It is the same palace where meeting between Jahangir and Sir Thomas Roe was held. During the British period, the palace was an arsenal. In 1908, a portion of the palace was converted into a museum. For questions, leave them in the comment box below and we will do our best to get back to you in a timely fashion. Also subscribe to Learn City for video on other tutorials.